Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will unbox review from Mazda 3 23 to 29 year Android 8.0 Oreo RAM 4GB octa-core. Okay, let me show this box. Let me open the box. Now you can see the hand unit. Okay. Let me show. This is install kit. Install kit with screw. Okay. GPS antenna. This is special harness with compass. Mazda 3. Okay. This is radio antenna. Radio antenna and factory harness. Mazda 3. Okay. And then you can check external microphone. This audio AUX cable, USB, 2 USB, and external microphone. This audio cable. And AUX cable, camera in cable. Okay, this is 9-inch special for Mazda. Let me open take out the plastic. Okay, this is a drum agent. Okay, this is Mazda 9-inch. You can check sides. This keys. GPS antenna, radio, Wi-Fi, and the connectors. Okay, let me power on with 12 voltage. Please take out this screw protector. before using. Okay, this button, you can change this button color. Very fast PX5 octa is built in Google Play Store, Google Maps, and easy connection. Mirror link, it displays same screen from your phone. Android USB, Android Wi-Fi, and iPhone Wi-Fi. Okay, let me check the system. You can check the system as PX5 octa-core. It's Android 8.0 Oreo. Okay. You can install wallpaper from OEM. Set wallpaper. Okay. Also, you can change this button color with car settings elements. You can choose gray, blue, orange, yellow. Can adjust any color. Okay, thank you. This is GPS card. You can check this GPS card. Okay, thank you.